Today we are going to talk about how to mirror the objects in the view while using draw axis option. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. The mirror tool reverses the position of selected model elements using a line as the mirror axis. To better understand mirror tool, we create a new project from the architectural project template. Draw some shapes from the detail line. We mirror these shapes by draw an axis. The mirror draw axis tool is in the modify panel of the modify tab. There are two methods of mirroring objects by using draw axis option. In the first method, you select the objects and select this tool from the modify panel or punch its shortcut key DM from the keyboard. Now draw the axis from where you want to mirror the objects. Objects will be mirrored. The distance and the angle of objects from the axis is always to be same. In the second method, you first select the tool. Then select the objects you want to mirror. After selecting objects, press the space bar once. By pressing the space bar, you are giving a message that the selection of objects is complete. And then draw the axis from where you want to mirror these objects. Objects will be mirrored. When using the mirror tool, if the copy box in the options bar is checked, elements will be mirrored to the new location and remain in the old location as well. Otherwise, the selected objects will be deleted from the old location while mirroring the new location. Now we discuss the procedure of mirroring the host-based objects with the draw axis option. Draw a wall and place a door on it. The door is a host-based family on the wall. Try to mirror this door. This door is not mirrored because the host-based family requires a host while mirroring. Now we extend this wall. That door will find the host while mirroring. Now if we mirror this door with the draw axis, then the door will be mirrored because now it has found a host. We have 5 hosts for placing a family: floor, ceiling, roof, wall, and face. We will discuss it with details when we study families chapter. The distances and angles of mirror elements are always to be same from the axis. I explain it more clearly. If objects are mirrored by draw axis at 45 degrees, the objects will be copied at 90 degrees. Similarly, if the objects are mirrored by draw axis at 135 degrees, then the objects will be placed at 270 degrees. These distances and degrees can be different. While mirroring the objects, one thing you always must remember is that the distances and angles are always same from the axis. In today's lecture, we have understood the mirror tool with draw axis option. I hope you have understood this topic. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.